The birth and journey through the solar system, the spark. The dream. The birth of a traveler. Not just any traveler, but a voyager unlike anything humanity had ever imagined. A flicker of human imagination ignited in the minds of dreamers, a tiny flame that refused to bow to boundaries, gravity, or the limits of a single world. It whispered softly, insistently, "The universe is not a ceiling. It is an open doorway, a call to the bold. A promise to those who dare to look upward." And so began the journey, not along familiar roads, rivers, or mountains, not across bustling cities or forests alive with whispers, but through the vast, immeasurable realm of human thought. A realm where curiosity roams unbound, where imagination stretches until it trembles at its own edges, and dreams sprint ahead of reality with fearless confidence. Visionaries raised their eyes to the heavens. They traced delicate patterns in the night sky. They mapped the velvet darkness between the stars. They studied the subtle dance of light and shadow. And they asked, what lies beyond the night? What reaches out to us from the other side of the stars? From that longing, that hunger, that unquenchable need, a traveler emerged. Not merely assembled from metal and circuitry, but summoned into existence by imagination, forged in courage, shaped by curiosity, and anchored by a truth older than civilization itself. Knowledge is worth every danger, every distance, every sacrifice. This traveler carried no crew, no flag, no map or myth to guide its way. It carried only purpose. Only direction. Only the unyielding will to pierce the unknown and never look back. Within its compact frame rested the restless spirit of its creators, and the fragile hope of an entire world longing to speak to the stars. This traveler was Voyager 1, a shard of gold and silver, a spark of human brilliance, fashioned by hands that believed exploration was not a luxury but a destiny. It rose into the heavens not as a machine, but as a message, a testament to everything humanity had ever dreamed. It sailed into the cosmic dark, a silent envoy carrying our memories, our voices, our story etched into circuits and metal. In the summer of 1977, Voyager lifted from Earth's embrace, small as a family car, weaker than a pocket radio, simpler in memory than a child's toy calculator, yet equipped with eyes capable of witnessing wonders no human had ever seen. Its instruments were delicate as breath on glass, yet powerful enough to unveil secrets that had slumbered in silence for billions of years. Its mission was monumental, audacious. To rise from Earth's cradle, to visit worlds unknown, to carve their images from starlight and bring them home as trophies of discovery. Guided by mathematics, guided by hope, guided by engineers whose hands trembled with faith, Voyager carried humanity's story beyond a single sky. Then came the Grand Tour, a celestial alignment appearing only once in 176 years. A cosmic invitation written in gravity. NASA seized the moment. 2 travelers were born. Voyager 2 departed first, followed soon after by Voyager 1. 2 explorers destined to reshape our understanding of the cosmos. What was meant to last 4 years became a journey stretching toward eternity. Jupiter awaited, a living, swirling giant. Voyager uncovered storms the size of continents, tempests that churned like living worlds. Lightning veins flickered like fire trapped in glass. Io, once assumed still and lifeless, revealed its fiery heart. Volcanoes hurled molten rock into space, cosmic fireworks erupting against the infinite darkness. Saturn followed, the ringed monarch. Its rings were not simple bands, but millions of shards of ice and dust woven like celestial lace. Moons pirouetted along the edges, sculpting the rings through silent gravitational dances. Titan, veiled in orange haze, held the chemistry of ancient Earth, hinting at secrets of life yet to be understood. And thus, the first chapter of Voyager's epic journey ended, a tale of courage and curiosity, a vision reaching far beyond the bounds of Earth, and of humanity sending its eyes, its heart, and its dreams into the void. The edge of the solar system and beyond. The edge of the solar system beckoned. Voyager 2 pressed onward. Uranus, a pale blue enigma tilted on its side, a magnetic field twisted as a dream. Neptune, a deep sapphire storm world, wind screaming faster than sound, a planet carved from cold and chaos. Triton erupted with nitrogen geysers, proving that even in places drenched in eternal night, worlds can breathe. Then came the ultimate threshold, the edge where the sun's warm kingdom fades, and the galaxy's vast, ancient expanse begins. On August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the helipause, stepping beyond everything humanity had ever known. It entered the silent, uncharted ocean of interstellar space. No sunlight strong enough to warm it. No planets to illuminate its path, only darkness, ancient and endless. Its instruments detected faint plasma waves, whispers of cosmic winds older than Earth itself, invisible tides drifting through the void, echoes of dead stars, fragments of creation still murmuring after billions of years. Yet Voyager moved forward with quiet certainty toward the distant Oort Cloud, a frozen halo of ancient comets encircling the solar system like a crown of forgotten worlds. It will take 30,000 years to reach its outer boundary. By then, Earth may have changed beyond recognition. Civilizations may fade. Oceans may shift. Continents may transform. Yet Voyager, forged from hope, will continue, a lonely spark drifting through eternity. Its signal is faint, weaker than a candle glimpsed from the moon, yet across billions of kilometers, Earth still listens. Deserts, mountains, oceans, and observatories turn like patient guardians, waiting for the faintest whisper from the cosmic frontier. Every pulse that returns is a miracle, a heartbeat of metal and will, a fragile lifeline connecting humanity to the infinite unknown. And then, there is the golden record. Voyager's eternal voice, a time capsule crafted not for a generation but for eternity. Greetings in 55 languages. Waves crashing on distant shores. Wind rustling through leaves. The laughter of children. Music, songs of joy and sorrow, ancient chants. Images of DNA spirals, forests, mountains, rivers, and cities glowing like constellations. Each a testament, a love letter cast into the cosmic sea, promising that we lived, that we dreamed, that we reached toward the stars even when they felt impossibly far. Perhaps one day another civilization will find Voyager. Perhaps distant descendants of humanity will hear the golden disk and know us, our laughter, our heartbeat, our hope. They will understand that once, on a tiny blue world bathed in sunlight, life dared to imagine the infinite. Voyager's legacy is eternal. More than metal, more than circuitry. It is courage made tangible, curiosity forged into motion, hope given direction. It turned distant points of light into living worlds. It carries our questions, our dreams, our essence. Now drifting beyond the reach of any star, Voyager sails through the cosmic sea, a silent envoy, a whisper written in starlight, a spark burning against eternity. It is discovery. It is endurance. It is wonder stretched across time. Small in size, never in will. Perhaps Voyager will be the first to tell us what lies beyond the stars. Perhaps its lonely, wandering light will one day reach eyes that have never seen Earth. Eyes that will understand that somewhere, life once dreamed of the infinite. Somewhere, a species built from dust and imagination reached beyond the horizon of its tiny world. Somewhere, we whispered into the darkness, and the darkness listened. Beyond the sun's last breath, past frozen comets and drifting interstellar dust, Voyager glides through eternity, carrying our memories, our questions, our songs, our essence. A spark in the infinite dark, A reminder that curiosity transcends boundaries, and courage defies